Hi everyone, welcome to another Kids Reading Club craft video. This week we have two crafts for you guys. For grade 5 to 6s, we have this rocket bookmark, and then for grade kindergarten to grade 4, we have this rocket ship craft. So keep watching, I'll show you guys how to make them. For the kindergarten to grade 4 rocket craft, the first thing you want to do is color in every piece of the rocket on the rocket template you have in your activity bag, and then cut it out like I've already done. For the shape of the rocket, you're going to have the rocket base underneath or on top of the wings, and then you'll have the lower rocket base on the bottom of that, and then the two flames overlapping each other underneath the base of the rocket. Then you'll have the two tips with the smaller one over top of the bigger one, and then you'll have the smaller circle over top of the bigger circle. Once you glue this all together, you can go ahead and start decorating your black sheet of paper to make the background of your rocket ship craft, and then you can glue down your rocket ship and your rocket craft is complete. For the rocket bookmark craft, just like the last craft, you're going to color in all of the pieces and then cut them out, and then you're going to assemble your rocket. The way you do that is just like seen here, with the rectangle with the two triangles on the side to be the wings, and then the bigger triangle to be the rocket tip. You're going to have the two circles on there. You're going to have this piece as the bottom of the rocket, and then you're going to have the flames on top of each other. Now it's time for what I think is the trickiest part, which is making the actual bookmark. So first thing you're going to do is with your 5x5 piece of paper is you're going to fold it in half just to make one big triangle, just like that. And then with this front piece, not the back, you're going to fold the tip of it downwards, just to look like that. And then you're going to grab one of the sides and you're going to lift it upwards and fold that. And then you're going to tuck the top of it underneath the flap here. Just like that. And then we're going to try it again on the other side. I'm going to lift this upwards and press down. Just like that. And then I'm going to fold this underneath. Okay, so this is my bookmark. It's not perfect, but this is what it looks like. And I'm going to grab my rocket and I'm going to glue it right on top of it so that the tips are lining up. So I'm going to grab my glue stick. And glue it just like that. And then your rocket bookmark is complete. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you had a fun time making these crafts with me today. I personally really like this rocket ship. I think it's a really fun way to keep track of your reading. Yeah, if you like your crafts a lot, you can bring them into the library and we'll display them in our window, or you can send us a picture and we'll put that in the window too. If you have trouble making this craft, you can send us a message and I'll try and help the best way I can. Thanks for watching. Bye.